Alright, so to disable friend suggestions, also known as people you may know on Facebook, first open the app. From menu, go to Settings, to Account Center, to your information permission, hit Upload Contacts, and then select your Facebook account from this list. And what you're going to do is just toggle off this continuous upload contacts option if it's on to not get friend suggestions from your contacts. Another way to do that is from Settings on our menu, scroll down to Notification, to people you may know, and then just turn off Allow Notifications, and from this pop-up, hit Turn Off. Now, honestly, there is no way to completely disable friend suggestions, but these are already two ways to reduce the suggestions on your account if it's bothering you. Thanks for watching.